Hey makers, this is Dhruvin, and in this episode let's talk about one interesting feature of Power BI service. Now if you are a Power BI service admin and you want to access individual users My Workspace, then you can able to access that using Power BI Service Administrator. Let's talk about that thing in detail. But before that, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram and Twitter so far, do follow me. So here I have opened my Power BI Service Admin Center. From the left side, just click on the Workspaces. This will show all the workspaces available in your environment. Now, let's say for an example, there is a workspace for the user Sriraj. So it is showing as personal workspace Sriraj. Now I want to get an access as Power BI Service Admin to this workspace. Then click on this ellipsis and click on Get Access. As soon as you click on that, you will be granting the access to Sriraj's personal workspace. Now remember one thing, this feature is only available for Power BI Service Admin. Now let's test out this feature. So we provided the access to Sriraj My Workspace. So I'm just clicking on my Workspaces section now, and over here you can see I can see the Sriraj's personal workspace and I can see the report over here. Right? So now as a Power BI Service Admin, I can enter individuals My Workspace. I can fix the refresh issue. I can fix the connection issue. Even sometimes if user is leaving the organization and if I want to get the access of the report published into individuals My Workspace, as an admin, I can easily get it. Also, sometimes there is a data sensitivity problem which I as an admin want to resolve it. I can easily do it. Isn't this feature cool and amazing? Share your thoughts in the comment section.